ahead.
Springtime often means family gathering and celebration, especially during the Easter, Passover, and Ramadan holidays. But it is important to remember that the coronavirus, or COVID-19, is still a serious threat to our community. I'm Dr. Maggie Park, the Public Health Medical Officer for San Joaquin County Public Health Services. We still have a stay-at-home order in effect. This means that you and your family should stay home at your place of residence and avoid all public and private gatherings of any number of people unless you're providing or receiving certain essential services. If you are caring for a family member or pet in another household, that's okay. Postpone visits to see family members and grandparents. Instead, you can connect using phone or video chat or by writing letters and sending in the mail. Remember, we are all in this together, and we can all do our part to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. For more information, please check out our website at www.sjcphs.org.